third over. Bhavani there, giving a little bit of weight. Will that be the first catch? No! Catch dropped at deep covers. Opportunity was there. Anand had driven it very, very well in the air. Asif could not keep that ball in his hands. It's so tough. It's so tough. It's quite easy sitting this side of the rope and explaining everything. It all gets into reality when you get to that side of the rope and see that ball coming in at that speed at your hands. I can feel that. Once again, trying to use his feet, but good running between the wickets by Anand. Quick call, directed, does not matter whatsoever. Good throw there, but Anand has made his ground. Leg by is the symbol by Shahid. Mohammad Rafi just coming in to keep that stumps in play. But good effort, good throw, keeping the batsman guessing at backward point. Aditya making sure. Shot, very nicely played. Tap and run. Chiranjeevi getting a little bit of his own medicine, which was the order of his play when he was batting. Soft bottom hands, tap and run. But what a batting display. Highest run getter at SGCC T20 Cup is Chiranjeevi Reddy. Once again, no man's land and a single. Good partnership, good bit of partnership here by Confidence 11 because Promenos's opening pair had put at 38 runs. Confidence have done that similarly with 35 out of 34 deliveries. Oh, that was a little bit of an error by Anand. We just need to check if the ankle is fine. Trying to move away from the line of stumps. Getting it hard on that right foot was Anand. Not so much of cover, not so much of padding in that area, just behind the ankle. Strong lad, strong lad. It's all fine with Anand there. This was not on the cards there. Buys for Confidence, some sort of a freebie coming into their way. This luck was necessary for them, chasing a big total. They need 181 runs to win this match, and they have scored 39 runs at the end of 6 overs. So probably bettering Promenos's opening stand. The opening stand between Chiranjeevi and Vignesh was 38. Finished this match for sure. Will steal a line from the man who will be retiring from the coach's job very soon. This will go down to the wire. Most of them feel that it will be a good change at the Wall probably going in. We're expecting the Wall to be the coach of the Indian national team. Everybody wondering what will happen to NCA, who will be the replacement for Rahul Dravid. You can figure out a replacement for the Indian national coach, but who's the replacement for Rahul Dravid? That's the biggest question. Right, coming back to this match, Bhavani Singh has got his ball there, and last over for his spell for Bhavani Singh Rathore against Anand. Impressive run up there, long run up, good stride forward, good loading on the popping crease. Good grunt in that delivery. Steals that by as well. Is Lalit with the wide. So watchful, so watchful. This is so important now. Lalit being the senior partner for Anand, making sure that run chase is on a good course. A special mention and a special thanks to all our friends in that blue jersey from the events organizing committee and the team, making sure everything is sorted, right from camera placements to the stands to the cables that is required for the balls that has been going outside the wall, bringing them back in. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all your efforts, guys. Really. Block hole, dug out by Lalit, will steal the single. Like the grunt that happens when Bhavani Singh comes near the popping crease. It's a good place to be for a captain, Hemant Chandra, in the covers, because he's got to break this opening partnership and he's got strategies thought abroad. But this is going to be the last over for Bhavani Singh. Once again, had to re-bowl that. Lot of effort going into that delivery. Length was fine, but the line straying outside the off stump. Fuller lands, driven straight back the bowler, long off, will cut off for a single. Yatish there, making sure he comes in from the shades to come out and collect that ball, because kind of difficult it becomes when you're standing under the shade of the trees and come in to save that boundary. Blasted, extra cover, will not be cutting away. This time is Yatish. Boundary there for Lalit. What a way to probably up the scoring rate, because the ball was shot, was a little bit wide, but there was deep covers, but nobody back there at extra cover. So pierce the gap completely there between mid-off and extra cover did Lalit. So deep covers, deep extra cover and mid-off. Also backward point at Kashvi being there and square leg brought up. Fuller and delivery, drives it. Will there be a chance? What a beautiful field of fielding there. Very well done, Aditya. From long on to going across to the country position, saving a certain boundary and saving 2 runs for his team. Fielding makes it so difficult because the wickets aren't coming and 181 looks an easy target currently, but the fielding can change it all across. Once again, using his feet, it's Vignesh there. Takes it. What a way to get a wicket. Fielding changes brought in at the right time by Hemant Chandra. Lalit has to go back. That extra cover position was his favorite hitting zone. Hemant Chandra plugged that gap. And Lalit trying to take on the challenge, trying to clear Vignesh. But no. Has to perish. Partnership broken. First wicket goes down. Vignesh got but semi-finals one ties have been announced. That's going to be SGCC 11 versus Guts and Glory. Yesterday, Guts and Glory won the match against Victory 11, and SGCC won the match against KSPCC. So the first semi-final is going to be XGCC 11 versus Guts and Glory. That's the first semi-finals after this match. And the winner of this match will be playing the yesterday's winner, Rangila Royals. Arvind, who's come in